Right. Okay. S- So we are here. All right. I am back and I have some good news. All right. I have done a lot in the past, like, what, 2 months. Anyway, what we have right now with Monoskin, with the app, what we have right now, it's not a complete product, no. It's like 60, 7, 70. Okay, if I wanted, all right, 50% done, all right. We're like 50% of the way there. Okay, right now, when it came to the secondary build, like if you saw the previous stream, when it came to the secondary build, I'm telling you, I was done. I'm not going to lie to you. I was tired. I was like, why the heck am I even doing this? Right? But now that we have gotten somewhere, I feel like we can continue on like this and try to shape it. Um, I can't even give you like a clear date, but we're going to try it. I'm going to try my best to finish it to the best of my ability, like just create like the best products possible. That is what I'm going to do. If it came to time, uh, I mean, I can literally just publish the app that I have right now. But no, 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 not yet. We still have a long way to go. We still have a long way to go, but we do have a backend now. We do have some what we do have a database, threw in a couple API keys to help me do like some stuff, able to log in. The what is it called? Authentication works. Um, I was able to send myself an email. I'm happy about that. Actually, I was actually able to send myself an email. So that means that the back end of the app is working, which I am happy about. When what the front end, like the front end UI, is not, it doesn't look that good. All right, it doesn't look that good, but we do have a functioning backend. Okay, I was able to send. I literally tested this like what, a few minutes before I came on stream. The front end, no, the back end is working. I was able to send myself an email. That is what I'm happy about. All right. It was supposed to be, like an email sequence whereby it sends me an email today, tomorrow, the day after for like a week, so that we see if it's actually working, and then we change it from there. But I was able to send myself like the first email today, so we'll see within the next 7 days if it continues that up or uh, if it doesn't work. If it doesn't work, what else? What else? Oh yeah, the remember I'm still using a coding agent, an AI coding agent. I'm using AI to build my app, which is frustrating as hell because because it does whatever it wants. Sometimes it just hallucinates and then creates some random features that I don't even need. But we're able to, look at it and then we kind of adjust from there. So now it depends on like the kind of prompts that I give it, and I need to be extremely specific on what it is I'm giving the app, the AI. so that it knows what to code and what not to code, which is okay. Which is okay. Yeah. Mm. So yeah, I think it's time for me to show you the app that I have right now. Okay, let's um, let's go. Let's go. There we go. Technology. um, yeah. So we're in most of what you're seeing is like dummy data. It's like what some placeholders. It's not like the actual thing. But one thing. Good to see you, Ian. This here is your agency view. It looks pretty much okay. We have over here prospecting. Which you don't, not as important right now. We got the sub accounts. Nice time to enter the sub accounts because this was the agency view. So now in the sub accounts, as usual, we have a dashboard. We have we have a dashboard. We have some contacts. We have what else? What is over here? Give it a second. Um, we have some forms. I I do not know why you can barely see anything on this side. I was honestly tired. Just wanted to make sure the email automations work, so I didn't get too much about this. But we have forms not yet created, but we do have that over there. We have opportunities. This one, it will take some time to load. I already tried it out before. It takes time to load. I do not know why. I'll check that later. We got mhm, we got automations over here. So now this one that you're seeing over here, monoscale 7-day test. This is the current automation that I'm running. This is the one that I'm running like currently, right? And it's the one that I was able to send to myself, like the email. What else? Mhm. Conversations. We have conversations over here. Here's just where you're able to talk to people in your contacts through email or through SMS. Calendar. Well, this feature stores data locally for now, but will be connected to the database. The next update, data will not persist across devices and browsers. Oh, yeah, this is something that once it decided to create on its own. I do not know why, but we have calendars, we have payments, not just any. We have templates. What else do we have? We have reputation, and we have message logs. All right. So where is it? Let's come over here. Mm. So yeah, this is basically what I have right now. Can't really show you anything much with what the can't really show you anything much with the automations and stuff, cause well, we can try entering over here. Can't really show you anything much because of you know the the front end is not, you can't really see anything over here in the front end, but we're going to build out like drag and drop system and have more like intuitive, like more interactive like front end that is connected to what we have actually working under the hood. Because right now if I try to create an automation, uh, it's really just going to give me this, just some random stuff. But this is not how I intended for it to be. To be, I wanted it to be like much better when it came to like creating like actual automations. But I was able to send something to myself. Oh, yeah, welcome, welcome series. Thank you for joining us. It waits a bit. Okay, but yeah, this is literally all we got for now. In the conversations we have some SMS conversations, but what you see right now is that this is mostly just dummy data. It's not anything like special or anything. It's just some placeholders over here to make it seem like I have something. But it is. But we do have a backend called connected. We do have this other stuff uh, that the AI created. We have memberships. We got media storage. We have app marketplace. Yeah, and then we have settings and all that good stuff. Mm, what else? Yeah. So this is literally what we're working with right now. Mm, so true. Wait, are we out? Shoes. Shoes. Ain't, ain't no way, bro. Are we back? Oh my god. Oh my gosh. I am so sorry. I'm so sorry for that. We just, I do not know what happened. Uh, but I think we're back. Okay. I hope you're able to see um, the app and what we have currently. Still trying to build it out, trying to make sure the front end is connected to the back end to create like one seamless app. Just just trying things at this point and seeing what sticks. I'm not gonna lie, and I don't know. The funny thing is that before my goal was to finish this app, and like it was February. I remember it was Feb, and I was like, I need to finish this app by March. The second March hits, we should be done with this. But hey, look, tomorrow is August. Tomorrow is August, and this is as far as this is as far as I've come with the app. Okay, this this is as far as I've come with like my third rebuild. Is it third? I do not know at this point. We just we just keep on like we just keep on scrapping the last and then continue. Because before the other one did not have, before I did not have any like I did not have any but I say I did not have any like meat, no bones to like the structure of everything. The app was basically just some front end nonsense. The well, everything was stored locally. The data was not able to connect because there was no database. Did not have any API keys. What else? It just looked fancy from the outside. It didn't even look that good. It didn't even look that good. I'm gonna be honest with you. Yeah. And then trying to build house. The landing page was the only thing that looked good. The landing page is the only thing that looked good. Let's see if we can. Yeah, it was the only thing that looked good. Let's see if we can go back to like my previous, but my previous app landing page. No, I'm not going back. I'm not going back. Maybe next or something. But we are going to use that landing page. Of course, we are going to use that landing page. Like, but before the other one just had that. Just had that. Shit. hmm Now with the app, we got a lot working for us. Hmm. hmm and I was like, who am I going to tell to build this app for me? Who am I going to? How the heck am I going to raise money so that I can build this application? Hmm. But hey, I've done it. Okay, I'm not completed, but I'm doing it with like little to no money. First of all, using AI. Oh my gosh, AI. I do not know how to code. Of course not. I'm a business guy at heart, through and through. So now this coding thing is literally not for me. I might say some stuff that I don't even know. I'm just learning as I continue, and I'm not going to lie to you. I've learned a lot in like the past 6, 7 months. Yeah, the past 7 months. So I want. So we're actually getting there. We're actually getting there. Mhm, mhm. What else do we have? Let me see if I wrote down anything else that we have that I can see. Because some of those stuff, I don't know. I don't know if like remember everything off the top of my head. Mm, the documentation for feedback, form system installations. The form system is not working currently. It's there, but it's not like working. We'll fix that later. Workflow triggers logic, multi-sub account and tenancy structure, get history. Mhm, mhm, mhm. So now, if you're still wondering, yeah, if you're still asking yourself, what is this young man doing out here? What is he doing? Why is he still? He said he was building an application. Why is it we're 7 months in and we can't see anything? Well, it's because of the type of app that I'm trying to build. Right? If it was just a normal like blog website or like some random those random ass games that you see on well like your Play Store or something, or like those YouTube ads or whatever, we would have been done. We would have been done. We would have been done ages ago. But the app that we're doing right now is not something. It's not something small. I'm not going to lie to you. Before I was treating it like a side project. I was like, maybe this is going to help me out with my agency. Yeah, maybe what? Because when I wanted to use Go High Level before, that was like 3 years ago. Oh my gosh, 3 years. But when I wanted to use Go High Level before, well, 3 or 2, end of 2023, early 2024. But still, when I was trying to use Go High Level, it was not available over here in Kenya. I do not know why. So now I've not checked. Maybe it is right now, but I've not checked. But I was like, if I'm not able to use it, maybe just create my own. But it was a throwaway, line. I was like, man, if I can do this, let me just make my own. Of course, like a year passed, I've not done anything, right? And then boom, it's December 2023, and we're like, okay, okay. Now I want to build the app. Okay, now I want to build the app. This is going to help me, right? It's going to be the reason why I this is going to be the reason why I finish. Not finish. It's going to help me out with my agency. That was my thought. I was like, yeah, it's going to be what helps me out with my agency. Guess what? December finished. I did not even start. I did not even start. Mm. And then January came along and I was like, okay, now we actually have to build this. Now we actually have to finish. January started, so like a couple YouTube videos. There was a guy making what? There was a guy making like an app, right? I was like, okay, yes, this is what we're going to do. Continue. Uh, Wanted to use Cursor, of course. Cursor was, my gosh, Cursor. If only I had like a proper laptop. If only, because my laptop right now cannot handle what Cursor, basically an AI coding like agent what app that allows you to build, you know, applications. Like obviously allows you to build applications using AI. Mm, so I was like, okay. Then I went to GitHub, tried using the coding space, tried it for a bit. That was like February, and then boom. Guess what? I need to pay for a subscription. Lost that app. I lost that app, and then and then uh and then it came to March. March, I was like, okay. How the heck am I going to do this? Tried tried a couple of things. Still didn't like find like the proper rhythm. Also, still didn't really know what I wanted from the app, how long I wanted to be done with it. And I was like, okay, let's try something else. So now I discovered Replit. Replit. Yeah. Um, this is by no means a review of the. Okay, it is like kind of a review of the app, but Replit was okay. Replit is it's okay. It's not bad. It's not good. It's okay for what I'm using it for. Mhm. But my suggestion is if you want to build an app, be prepared to spend at least some kind of money. Because if you try using Replit's, free trial, the amount of credits you're going to get minuscule. Like this for the month, you're going to get this much. You know, you better off just like cough up like 20. Was it $20 or something for the subscription, and then you continue on with your build. But the way they treat you with just that, oh my god, just the free trial is, trust me, bro, it's not as flattering, you know. So that's why I really wanted to use Cursor, because Cursor was free, and a lot of the things that you're able to do on it were like above and beyond like what Replit is doing for me right now. And if I was to pay for the subscription, it was also going to be $20, but that would be for like some even more advanced features only, right? But now Replit is still there's still like higher tier. 20 is just like the beginning, like the entry level. Um, but not I'm still using Replit to this day, of course. The app that you've seen was literally Replit. Oh yeah, reminds me of Google AI Studio. Google AI Studio was no. Please, if you're trying to build an application, do not use Google AI Studio. I'm not going to lie to you. Google AI Studio is the worst. Especially if you're trying to build something actually like thought out and complicated. It is not going to help you in any way. I tried that for a bit, it did not work. And that was like back in February. This is back in Feb, so now that was like my second bill. Yeah, wait first. Lost the first one to GitHub, then went to Google AI Studio, then went to what I had before, like my other like landing page, and then now that was already three rebels. It's like the fourth rebel. I don't know. It might be the fourth, might be The fifth, I don't know. But we we continue. We continue. um, I took when building my application, I took a lot of inspiration from, of course, Go High Level, because it was literally one of the best apps that I was one of the best apps for like agencies, and I wanted to use it. Oh my god, I wanted to use Go High Level so much, but I was not able to use it. So I took some inspiration, and I was like, wait, they have this, they have that, and it helps businesses do this and that. So I was like, okay, let me just take let me just take the core like features and Go High Level, and then I landed on automations, AI and automations. I do not know what I'll do for the AI later, but right now we're on automations, so automations is fine. As we're on the automations, one still trying to build it out, build it out. As we're still trying to build out the automations, we are moving slowly but surely. We are moving. Um, my thoughts, but what do I see? It reached the point where I was like, monoscale, monoscale. It should have been out to the public ages ago. But I know building the app is just like the first like milestone, like the first hurdle, and then after that it gets mm, marketing, promoting the app. That's also a problem, and it's not like everyone's immediately going to hop on my app as soon as it's out because no one knows about it, of course. But I was like, I'd rather have that problem than this problem. Hmm. Um, the app, the app. But we're building it. I don't know. Maybe by maybe by December, not even December, early next year. I don't know. I honestly don't know when we're going to be able to finish this. But hey, the time is going to pass anyway. Okay, we will a year from now. Obviously, I'll be done. Okay, obviously, yeah, obviously, I'll be done. uh, yeah, obviously, I'll be done. When it comes to what my agency, still haven't gotten a client. So still haven't gotten a client though. But we are still going to shoot for clients. I get some I get some people like I'm working for, get to produce for them some results. Mm, and yeah, yeah, that's literally all I have to say. The app, we're not done with it. We still have a long way to go. So when it comes to agency work, also that one we're still looking for a client though. But we are not yet we're not yet there yet. Right now, just want to continue building my skills, of course. Learn more about marketing, learn more about copywriting, more about like design. Um, put all of that together, you know. Like, hey, I need to. I'll watch a YouTube masterclass on marketing and sales. Yeah, that's what I'll do. That's what I'll do. Excuse me. Mm, yeah, that's literally all I got for now. Uh, yeah, that's all I got for now. That's all I got for now. The app. Just wanted to show you guys what the apps look like so that you don't start wondering, oh my god, this guy stopped. I can't believe he gave up. I can't believe he disappeared. Well, I'm back now. Okay, I'm back now with something. Of course, I can't show you like back end stuff, but once the front end starts, working, or the day that I'll be able to shoot like a full on live demo, like live. Oh my gosh, that would be amazing. That would be amazing. Mm. Um, but, but yeah, that's all I got for now. Uh, I don't know. See you when you see me.